The power is flowing again. Good morning, team.
Another day to point, click, and explore. I'm ready for action.
Easy there, mouse. First thing first, system check. Let's make sure we're all functioning.
I'm feeling a bit jammed. Oh wait, false alarm. Just a dream printing out a novel in one go.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm sounding fabulous. Ready to pop out some phones or alerts.
Perfect. Team, we have a mission today. Helping a student understand how we all work together. Let's make it memorable.
I'll start. I'm the keyboard. I let users type, text, enter commands, and interact with the system. You want a letter? A symbol? I'm your go-to.
Don't forget me, I'm the mouse. I let users point, click, drag, and drop. Basically, I guide the hand of the users on the screen.
I'm the monitor. I show what's going on, the visual output. Without me, users would be typing in the dark, literally.
And when words aren't enough, I step in. I'm the speaker. I play music, alert sounds, videos, you name it, sounds output in my job.
Last but not the least, I'm the printer. I take digital files and turn them into physical pages. Text, photos, reports, I bring to life on paper.
But we're not just individuals. We're a team. Let's show how we work all together.
Imagine this. The user wants to write a story. First, they click on the writing program. That's me.
Then, they start typing their ideas. My moment to shine.
And I show every word, every change, instant feedback.
Maybe the user adds sound effect or listen to some music while writing. I keep the vibes going.
And when the story's done, I print the final masterpiece, frameworthy.
Uh-oh, is that CPU fan overheating again?
Relax, mouse. Just the computer is stretching after sleep mode.
Oh paper, for a moment, I thought it was jam time. And not a good kind.
Jump time? Did someone say it's music jump?
So, remember everyone, computers work because every part plays a role.
You move, you click, boom, we're off.
Type it out, data in.
Print it out, data out.
Play it loud or whisper low. We speak your flow.
And I show it all, clear as a day. The computer is a symphony, and we're the instrument.
And that's how we work. We are the computer crew.